Hello, good afternoon, everyone. So I'm Sanchayan. I have been running the Rust community since 2018. It was started in 2017 by Safi and Ragni, and then I was asked to take over in 2018, so I've been running it since then. Of course, during COVID, we haven't had any meetups, but for at least the last 2 years, we have tried to be regular. We hold meetups every month, pretty much. And so the way we operate is we are currently on the Hasgeek platform, thanks to Hasgeek. And the way we operate is basically we generally try to keep a meetup around the third week of every month, and then we basically announce on, at least now it's linked in on Telegram, that we are looking for submissions or participations. And basically anyone who is willing to speak, as long as it's Rust, they are welcome. So, and this results in basically, we have a variety of talks. We don't have talk curation right now, but we do get a variety of talks. So this can be, there are talks from various industry people. So we have had folks from Bosch, Fortanix, Couchbase, Aether, and such companies. We have also had students speak at our meetups, so the projects they are working on, if they are building something in Rust. So for example, at the last meetup, there was someone who was building Bitcask in Rust as a side project. We also get language deep dives sometimes. So for example, how do async runtimes or runtimes work in Rust, things like that. So we have a variety of talks. And while that's a nice thing, one thing that sometimes as industry folks might not like is the talks might not exclusively focus on Rust, even though they are being built in Rust. So that's something, but the thing that I wanted to pitch today is if we have more different folks coming in and pitching talks, then we would have more variety and depth and breadth of talks both. So there can be introductions to the language, there can be industries who are actually building either open source products, or even if only part of what they're building is open source, or this can be even be language deep dives or things like that. So my purpose in being here today is basically to try to pitch our community to get more folks to participate. We are a pretty open community. Like I said, students are welcome, more experienced folks are also welcome to speak about. And this is also, for example, we have had folks who are 10, 15 years experience, but they have started just learning Rust now. And they are coming in to talk about the experience they are now facing learning Rust, be it positive, negative, or both of these things. So basically, yeah, what I wanted to pitch today is there is a Rust Bangalore community, and sometimes I hear that people are not even aware about it. So I basically want to pitch Rust Bangalore today. If you guys do not know about it, or if you know folks who are maybe interested in Rust, maybe are even just starting today, come join us, share your experiences, learnings, learn from others who are also, they may be somewhere different along the journey, but they also are starting somewhere. So come join us. We would be happy to have any one of you as a speaker, be it a very brief introduction topic, deep dives, or anything. Maybe you are just trying to build and learn. One thing that I believe in, basically, one of the best, there can be different ways to learn, but one of the best ways to learn is trying to explain something to someone else, what you are learning yourself. And I think that's also a great reason why I generally try to encourage everyone to come speak. It should not be that only experienced folks get to share their experiences in a polished manner. So everyone is welcome. I would encourage you, folks you know who might be interested, but you are on no, okay, Rust is hard, there is this impression, but we would like to change that, so let others know. We will be happy to have you come meet with us, just talk about whatever you are trying to learn right now, wherever you are in your journey. And yeah, that's what I had to say today. And I hope I get to see new faces, hopefully, going forward at the meetup. So yeah, that's what I had to say for today. Thank you.
So when do you have meetups? Where do you have meetups?
So the meetups generally, like I said, they are organized monthly. Generally, it happens in the Indranagar, Koramangala, HSR area because it's easier to get venues, it's easier to reach out. A lot of the startups are in that area. Sometimes we have companies reaching out to us, sometimes we can reach out to them. So that's why a lot of the meetups happen in that area generally. And mostly it's on the 2nd or 3rd of every month. And we are on the Hasgeek platform. So if you are on hasgeek.com, you can search for Rust Bangalore, and generally we will you will be able to see when we create an event. It will show up on the Hasgeek portal as well. We also do announcements on Rust on Telegram and LinkedIn. So if you search for just Rust India on Telegram or LinkedIn, we will show up. So generally events are announced there if you are not following the Hasgeek platform also. So one of these 3 channels will help you to know when is the next meetup going to be.
Cool. Great.
Yeah,
Thank you, Sanchayan.
So I'm Anirudh. I'm one of the few folks who had the opportunity to start the Bengaluru Systems Meetup. Now, what is Bengaluru Systems? Bengaluru Systems is, I believe, Bengaluru's first systems-oriented meetup. So, of course, we've had LLVM Social, and we've had all these folks who are focusing on specific parts of systems. Bengaluru Systems aims to be an overall umbrella meetup sort of for all sorts of systems things. So we've had people talk about how browsers work. We've had people talk about how LLM inference happens at a GPU level. We've had talks about people talking about their storage engines that they've written. We've had some folks who you might recognize from here, like Amod and Srinivas, also speak at our meetup about all the various things that they've been working on. So the reason I'm here, much like Sanchayan, is to talk about Bengaluru Systems. We don't have as widespread a coverage in the general headspace of people as most of the other hot topics do. But systems at the end of the day is an extremely important foundation of everything at that point. So we are just a bunch of systems nerds and geeks talking about the things that we find interesting. So let me just so I'll continue in 2 small parts. So like the first part is, let me just show you some of our previous meetups that have happened. So we had our 3rd systems meetup here. It started this year. We've had our 3rd meetup here. So you can see here's Amod talking about his topic. We've had, a bunch of other really qualified speakers. So you can see Srinivas, who spoke about cloud cost optimization here as well, right? We have some really nice participant testimonials from a few people here. So if you want to read these yourself, we're on Hasgeek. You can just search for Bengaluru Systems. We've had, speakers say some really nice things about us. We have an upcoming talk with Alex Garcia, who is the creator of SQLite's vector extension. And we are going to be announcing that soon. So you can keep your eye peeled. You can keep your eyes open on this side. Quick history. We started basically based off of a suggestion that we should do something for systems in Bangalore. Because what was happening was there are a lot of Gen AI and AI ML meetups. That seems to be the current flavor that people are interested in. But throughout my time in college as well, I realized that, okay, there is all of this, but how does it work 1 layer down, 2 layers down, right? And that curiosity was sort of what pushed me and a few other friends of mine to start this. It started off as like a suggestion saying we should do something like this for Bangalore as well, because it was just around that time that the New York Systems Meetup was kicking off. And we had people working in a lot of really cool companies, working on a lot of really hard problems, more importantly, come and talk about what they were working on. So we thought, okay, let's do this as well. Let me just bump up the Zoom. So yeah, we started off with the charter. We had our first meetup on the 6th of July. We've tried to have a meetup at the end of every month. We've covered a lot of very, very interesting topics. You can see this was our first meetup. We've had folks talk about AI inference, about how browsers work internally, some pictures from our first meetup, talking about GPU inference, full house, there's me. So there's that, talking about browsers. We have my friend talking about his torrent client that he built from scratch, right? Not really very, very popular topics, but definitely interesting things to learn about. Because who knew that all these things also are just code, right? Like we tend to take a lot of these abstractions for granted, but they're all just code at the end of the day. We've been mentioned by people who've started other notable systems meetups, like Phil Eaton, for example, who started the New York Systems Meetup. And you can see that we're in good company. There's a Munich database meetup, there's a Berlin systems group, there's a SF distributed systems meetup. And you can see that we've been mentioned here in this same league. So I think that's a very nice bit of praise coming from the outside. Yeah, we are on Hasgeek, we are on Twitter. These are some of the other talks that we've had. So deep dive into parts of the kernel, talking about how to write keyboard drivers. We've had people talk about JIT compilers as well in Bengaluru Systems. And it's generally a very nice, we've had a talk about the WebAssembly ecosystem, right? We've generally had a very nice spread of talks that have happened, and we'd love to see folks from here speaking or attending. We'd encourage more people to speak as much as possible, even if you're just, picking up a system that you don't know about and deciding to explore it. That's great too, because that is the beginner perspective that helps most people get started. I say this as a professional beginner. We need more of these talks so that people can get into the fold and start understanding how things happen. So we're on Discord, we're on Telegram. Let me just open our community page. You can find all our links here. We're on Telegram, which is where most of the community discussion takes place. We're on Discord as well, which is a small subsection of the group. And we all talk there as well. So anything databases, distributed systems, compilers, orchestration systems, data flow systems, any of these topics, browsers, kernels, anything that is one layer of abstraction down, right? We'd be super interested to hear what you have to share about that. And yeah, you can find us here. You can find me later if you want to ask me some questions about how you can get started with this or how to attend or anything like that. We're trying to have a meetup at the end of this month. It's not finalized yet, so 30th should be it. But yeah, I think that's about it. You can see there's Shraddha here as well, who's one of the other people who helped start Bengaluru Systems. And obviously, I would be amiss if I did not mention the fact that both Zainab and Kiran have been very helpful throughout this process of helping us get off the ground. So yeah, thank you folks for all your support. Round of applause to you. And that's it. That's it from mine.
Thanks, Anirudh.